education,
multiple activities, morals, good deeds.
together are the main branches
of Dyako Educational Compound.
promoting students' personalities can frame a developed and wide environment in the school for them.
with various activities, extraordinary and modern techniques.
The effect of creating the students' personalities can be shaped at Dyako.
A responsible student,
A respectful student, an educationist student,
a speaker student, a panelist student, and much more.
A student is able to evoke more in all fields.
At Dyako,
An exceptional activities organization has made.
with a structured personality.
for our unique students who can achieve their target. Those factors are in a process at Dyako for the sake of the powerful character. Educated, eco-friendly, respectful, honest, kind, team worker, supportive, trusted, and eager. The students at Dyako Educational Compound own vigorous and effective personalities. They have a transparent future for a civilized nation.